What's good, YouTube? This your boy 1K Gotti. I am back with another video. And as you see here, I'm doing something new. I'm rebuilding around Trae Young to see if I could win a championship with Trae Young and the Atlanta Hawks. I rebuilt the team around him, what I feel like would be good for Trae Young. And we in the off season of 2022, the 2023 season. So this is the team that I have right now. This is my team right now that I have. This is what I built around Trae. I got Bam, Tyler Hero, Scotty Barnes, Cameron Johnson, Michael Porter, DeAndre Hunter, and some familiar faces that's already on the team. Kevin Huerter, Trey Mann. This is what I feel like would get Trae Young a ring. So we're gonna do 3 seasons and see how many rings can I get with Trae Young. We're gonna start in the off season. Hold on. Let me make sure. Let me do 8 minutes. Okay. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see if I can get Trae Young a ring. This is my first time doing this. Hope you guys like it. Comment down below if you want me to do more of this. If this was something you like to watch, let me know. I'm all ears. Just something I'm trying to do right now. I'm doing something new. But let's see if my team is still here. With the off season, everybody's still here. Everybody's still here. Oh my gosh. Players don't upgrade it. They don't upgrade it. Trae Young went down. Trae Young is injured actually. Whoa. But let's see if we can win with this. Hopefully we can win with this. Nice. We starting off good. We're doing good so far. We're doing good. We're 9th in power ranking. We need to step it up. 12th. We're going down. We're back to 9th. Doing 3 seasons of this. 3 to see if I can give Trae Young a ring or 2. We're in the 5th. Let's see if Trae Young can get a ring. It's Trae Young, Tyler Hero, Bam, Michael Porter, Scotty Barnes. It's pretty good. Pretty good 5. Luka. Jason Kidd. No sign of Trae Young on the first all team. No, he's on second team. He's injured again. The ankles. It's the ankles. We are playing the Indiana Pacers. We are the 3rd seed. Is anybody injured on our team? Trae Young is just injured. Sore ankle. Day to day. We're good, people. We're good. We're good. We're good. We still have our same team. Do we call up? No. Brooklyn is... Whoa. Simulate play-in. We're playing Indiana. Let's go. Indiana 1 game. Indiana 2 games. Indiana 3 games. We got swept by Indiana in the first round. Who Indy has on their team? Who do they have on their team? How do we get swept by Indiana? They have a bunch of nobodies. They have a bunch of nobodies and we got swept by Brogdon. Who is Brogdon? So you telling me Ice Trae, Tyler Hero, Scotty Barnes, Cam Johnson, Bam Adebayo, Michael Porter, Kevin Huerter, DeAndre Hunter, Terrence Mann. You telling me we got swept by a bunch of nobodies? You know what? Second season. Let's hurry up. Let's hurry up and get to the second season. Indiana won? They won? A bunch of nobodies won. They beat Boston in 7. I done seen it all. Let's go. Let's go. I done seen it all. Like we lost against Indy. We lost against Indy. We really lost against Indy. Let's see. Nobody went up. Trae Young is healthy now. I guess he wasn't healthy that whole season. But let's go. Season 2. Season 2. Season 2. I'm doing 3 seasons. Season 1 is already down. We're in 23-24 season. Ice Trae, Tyler Hero, and Bam, along with Michael Porter and Scotty Barnes, couldn't get it done the first season. Let's see if we can get it done the second season. Couldn't get it done the first season, but the second season, let's see. It's crazy. Like, that's the Indiana won. Indiana won. They won a championship. That is crazy. That is still on my mind. Indiana won a championship. Jokic is on the Mavericks? Yo. They going all the way. Jokic and Luka. Most improved. That's what I like to see. Let me go. This man is always hurt, bro. First season you hurt. Second season you hurt. This second season is done. It's done with. It's done with. It's done. We're looking forward towards the third season now. Third season. James Harden gets a ring. Oh my God. James Harden gets a ring. Trae Young was hurt 2 seasons in a row. 2 seasons in a row he was hurt. And we couldn't get the job done in 2 seasons. We was the 3rd seed, I believe. First season, and then we went down. We did not go up to the 1st seed. We went further down to the 9th seed. Okay. Players are. We lost a few players. It's okay. Tyler Hero did not want to sign back with us. 2 seasons. And Tyler Hero gave up. Tyler Hero gave up on us in 2 seasons. 2 seasons of not going to the finals. This team was built to win, and we pretty much look like the Brooklyn Nets. We're not doing a whole lot of winning, I'll tell you that. This is the final season, and let me tell you, it's not looking good for the Atlanta Hawks. I'm not digging my nose. It's my nose ring. My nose ring. I'm just moving it around. Those y'all, he digging his nose on camera. Power ranking. It's not good. LaMelo Ball MVP. I'm proud of you, son. Lonzo Ball, 6th man of the year. Look at that. Both Ball brothers. Let's go. We are playing Milwaukee again, and this season is over with. It's over with. We lost against the Magics. And there you have it. Ben Simmons with his first ring. There you have it, you guys. 3 seasons fast. Went by fast. Where do the time goes? I had built the team. To be similar, almost similar to the Golden State Warriors with Trae Young, Bam, Scotty Barnes. I had Tyler Hero as Klay Thompson. Michael Porter as Durant, something similar. But I had put Porter on this team because Trae Young and Porter, they are close friends. So they always said they wanted to play with each other. So it was only right that I did that. And Bam, I just wanted to put Bam on the team because I don't know. I just felt like he'll fit with Trae Young and Porter. And Barnes is like a 2.0 of Draymond Green. That's what they say. So that's why I put Scotty Barnes on this team. And yeah, Tyler Hero was just a shooter, just to be the shooter of Klay Thompson, not to have the defense of Klay. But as you see, and then everything else, like, little shooters coming off the bench, you know, little shooters coming off the bench that I had. But, you know, building around Ice Trae was a complete failure. We did not, we did not, we did not get to what we needed. We did not get the championship. And this lets me know, like, that type of team would not win a championship. So, on to the next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. This was a good experiment, what I was doing here, but it did not work. It did not work. Trae Young, in the future, if you're ever watching this video, whatever, you, Bam, Scotty, Tyler, and Michael Porter, y'all will not work out. Y'all will not work out. That's all for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this. Let me know if I should do more of these and stuff like that. And yeah, 1K is out.